Hello everyone and welcome back to Destin Learning. Scalability is a key aspect to building any software system. In this video we're going to take a look at the trade-off between two key software architectures, monoliths and microservices. Let's go ahead and take a look at the details. As applications grow in complexity and user demand increases, scalability becomes crucial. Choosing between monolithic and microservices architecture is a key decision, each with its own advantage and trade-offs. Understanding these differences helps align the architecture with the business needs and scalability goals. This video will discuss the characteristics and strengths and weaknesses of monolithic and microservices architectures, focusing on their impact on scalability and maintainability. Monolithic architecture is a traditional software design approach where the application is built as a single unit. It includes tightly coupled components like the user interface, business logic, and data access layers, all packaged into a single code base. Monolithic architecture is characterized by a single deployable unit, tightly coupled components, and a single database. The entire application is built and deployed as one unit with interdependent modules sharing the same code base, making changes hard to isolate. Monolithic architecture offers simpler development and deployment, easier debugging, and better performance. All the code is in one place, making it easier to trace bugs and faster communication between components. Monolithic architecture faces challenges like limited scalability, slow development speed, difficulty in adopting new technologies, and deployment bottlenecks. Scaling involves replicating the entire application, leading to inefficient resource usage. Code-based growth complicates changes, and switching technologies affects the entire system. Deployment often requires redeploying the whole application, risking downtime. Microservices architecture breaks down applications into smaller, loosely coupled services. These services communicate over well-defined APIs, each representing specific functionality. Microservices can be developed, deployed, and scaled independently. Microservices architecture has three characteristics: independent deployable units, decentralized data management, and polyglot development. Each microservice can be independently built, tested, deployed, and scaled. They can use different databases and be written in various languages and frameworks. Microservices architecture offers scalability, faster development cycle, fault isolation, and technology flexibility. Each service can be scaled independently, developed, and deployed by teams, ensuring resilience and innovation. Microservices architecture presents several challenges. These include increased complexity in managing multiple services, issue with network latency and security, testing complexities, and difficulty in maintaining different consistency across distributed stores. Monolithic architecture is best for small to medium-sized applications that don't need frequent scaling. It's ideal for projects prioritizing simplicity and rapid development, and for teams with limited DevOps and infrastructure expertise. Microservices architecture is ideal for large and complex applications needing independent scaling, teams focused on continuous delivery and rapid deployment, and organizations adopting modern cloud-native architectures. The decision between monolithic and microservices architecture is influenced by factors like application complexity, team size, business needs, and scalability requirements. In summary, when building scalable applications, consider monolithic and microservices architecture. Monolithic offers simplicity and ease for smaller apps, but may limit growth. Microservices provide flexibility and fault isolation, but add complexity. Understand each to make informed decisions for resilient applications. Well, that's all for this video. I hope it's given you some good ideas about the different aspects of monolithic and microservices architecture and some of the key aspects of each. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye.